What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to search and sort email by size within Gmail. So let me go ahead and open up my Gmail account here real quick, and let me go ahead and access my mails. Now you do the same, right? So what you want to do, guys, you have to use parameters in order to do that. So let's say I want to search for an email with a size of 4 megabytes or something like that. All you have to do is just simple type in larger, right? And here you can see that it started to populate already. And if you use like your right arrow key, you realize that it goes over and you have the option here with the size as well. So you can basically modify the size here as you wish. So let's say I'm looking for 4 megabytes. I can do that, and I can just simply hit enter, and I'll find all the emails with the size or attachment that are, let's say, 4 megabytes or more, right? So anything over 4 megabytes or more, then it will basically find it. So if you want to use a range, guys, all you have to do is just simple type smaller, and you want to do like a underscore and type done and put the colon there, and you can put like the 3 megabytes, right? Something like that, and just hit enter. No, I don't have anything within that criteria, but if you have something like that, it can definitely work. Now, as you realize that here I use the done and here I don't use it. This is just to show you that you can use any one of these two criteria, right? So if I even remove this entirely and click like smaller than 3 megabytes, it will work, right? If I hit enter, it will find me emails that are smaller than 3 megabytes. If I remove the done here and just have smaller like that, 3 megabytes, it will also find. So you can use it by simply using the underscore done or just the colon done. And this is how you can easily search within your email to find emails with a certain criteria, a certain size, to sort them so that you can find whatever you want. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.